SpecCheck is a tool to extract significant temporal specifications from my specifications for Java programs. When using specification mining technique for inferring specifications, a prevalent situation is that a lot of the my specifications are irrelevant or insignificant. SpecCheck can determine among them which one are more important and extract them. Input a SpecCheck are code examples that make use of the specifications. Here is the code example that makes use of the stack object and the three of its specifications. The specification states that the preconditions for the code pop can be either big, empty, or size. Assumes that we want to know which preconditions among big, empty, or size are actually significant for the code pop. We can first specify the three specifications in a file, each separated by a blank line. Each of the specifications comprises of those components. The first line is basically the file name and the method name in which the specification resides in. It also consists of the source line numbers of the elements of the specifications. Here is the config and the conpop at line 9 and 10. The second line would be ignored by SpecCheck. It is basically the support number and the confidence number, which are normally produced by many specification miner tools. The rest of the specification are the elements of the specifications. Here is the config and the conpop. The specification pop require empty and pop require size are specified similarly. Now we can use SpecCheck to determine which specification among these three are important. SpecCheck basically requires three parameters. The first parameter is the command to execute the project. Here is the example class. The second parameter is the class path of the project. Here is the example folders. And the last parameter is the specification file. Here is the example.spec file, which comprises of the three specifications here. So basically, SpecCheck will run the project class and we determine the significance of the three specifications. Basically, it will mutate the class for each of the specifications so that the preconditions will be suppressed, and it will observe the pause conditions to see whether the pause conditions will throw any exceptions or not. And if that occurs, then it deemed the specification to be significant. SpecCheck will output all the significant specifications into a file called s_scs, and in these examples, it determines that the two specifications pop require empty and pop size are important, and pop big are actually not important. And if the precondition empty is missing, then the pop can throw exceptions. Similarly, the pop can throw exceptions if the code size is missing.